enter working trot rising. X, halt through the medium walk, salute. Proceed working trot rising. C, track right. B, circle right 20 meters. A, circle right 20 meters, developing working canter right lead in the first quarter of the circle. Before A, working trot rising. K, X, M, change rein. E, circle left 20 meters. A, circle left 20 meters, developing working canter left lead in the first quarter of the circle. Before A, working trot rising. Between F and B, medium walk. B to H, free walk. H, medium walk. Between C and M, working trot rising to A. A, down center line. G, halt through the medium walk, salute.